Hi everyone, it's Teacher Tom. Please listen and practice and watch Teacher Tom's math, okay? So today's vowel sound is E. So the short E, 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 E. The long E, 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 A, E, Y, and Y are pronounced as E. So for example, number 1, egg, egg, B, B. Okay, and then number 2, ten, leaf, leaf. And then number 3, bed, candy. And then number 4 is net, money. Okay, and the next set of words are over here. Number 1, B, B. Number 2, net. Number 3, jet. Number 4, eat. Number 5, happy. Number 6, wet. Number 7, red. Number 8, eat, feet. And number 9, pet. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.